This week on Homesteading in Montana, we're taking you on a scenic hike to one of our favorite hidden gems, our very own waterfall, nestled deep in the woods, providing inspiration and peace. Join us for this adventure. No, stay in, stay in. Let's go.
That's downhill. I'm so tired.
Come on, boy. Come on. Here we go. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, yeah! Jump, jump. Woo! There you are. There you are. Okay, boy. Come on. Okay, we got a hard-boiled egg. Sit. He says, just give me my meat. That's it. Go, buddy. Huh? This waterfall comes through, starts way up in here, comes down, comes into here, goes through the rocks, starts a stream, and then goes out into the big pond that's really filling up. is the waterfall. So we know that the waterfall is on our property. Who's that? Do you hear Polar? Do you hear a Polar? Such a good boy! Good buddy! Oh! Yes! Hey boy! Did you go looking for us? You're looking all over for us. We heard you.